up, everyone? We are back, day 28 of becoming a profitable trader. Today is March 13th, Friday, 2026, the last week of the day before market is officially closed for the week. So as you guys can see, I actually didn't take a trade so far, but I have a nice setup presenting himself right here. So we are actually at the time from 9:30 to 10:30 manipulation time. So I'm not willing to take any type of trade right now unless this setup, which I have presented on a screen, have been presented. If I see this exact setup, guys, I'll take the trade, obviously, and hopefully our TP will get hit. So if you want me to teach you my strategy, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also email me. I'll leave my business email down in the description. I got nothing to say, guys. Next week, everything will change. We will actually start trading our prop firm, and we'll try our best to pass our prop firm starting from next week. So that includes day 29, day 30, and the phase 2 will actually start. So I'll see you guys on the next video, which is on Monday, and hopefully you will have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday, which is day 29. Peace out.
Order filled.
Just give me a little love.
Order filled.
Let's dive in on the trade that we took today. We actually took a W, guys. So after this trade, I actually took this trade because my setup I've presented in the cell, and I've seen a plus setup which aligns with my strategy and my confluence as well. I think price will actually boost to the upside, but we don't care about that. So let's dive in, guys. So before market opens, we was actually on a bullish trend, as you guys can see, making a higher highs. But once we failed to make a higher high, market structure shift have occurred during market open or before market open. So before market open, we broke a structure to the downside, making a SMT, a bearish SMT, and make, like, obviously, guys, price was printing to the downside the whole Asia and London session. So I actually had the chance to trade this, but my brain was not, fully locked in to take this kind of trades, guys. So I never had the time also to analyze this shit. So my obvious trade that I want to took was longs. So that opportunity actually happens around here once we have swept some sort of liquidity on the London session and make a displacement to the outside and making an order block. So guys, once I see this Asia session manipulation, you see this manipulation, London session swept off liquidity and reversal to the upside, there was a lot of draws of liquidity to the upside. To be specific, these two, this one as well, was one draws of liquidity. So I didn't take the trade immediately because I thought this was 9:30 to 10 a.m. manipulation. So I didn't take this trade, guys. But what I actually did was I was waiting for a retracement so I can enter that trade. So that is actually what we did. We get some sort of retracement on the 15-minute, guy. Look. On the 15-minute, once I get a retracement, I entered the trade immediately, and bang, we are hit our actually my full TP was around here, but we actually took a partial close and we got stopped out our break even. So it is what it is. We still made some bag today. Okay, guys. So yes, I was greedy for not, taking or closing the whole trade once we made a bearish SMT right here and price start reversing to the downside. I fucking knew that shit will happen, but I'll fix that shit for the next time, and it is what it is. So I used 3 confluences to take this trade, guys: liquidity sweep, reversal, continuation trend. So this was continuation to the downside or trend, liquidity sweep, a London reversal, US continuation. And actually I took another trade right here, which was an easy continuation because there were 2 draws of liquidity right here. One was a London low and one was an Asia low. So we banged our full TP, as you guys can see. So this was all about today's trade recap. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to teach you my strategy, make sure you email me. I'll see you guys on Monday. Market opens. Monday is actually so serious, guys. We're going to trade on our new platform account, which we'll try to stay consistent and get a payoff from that bitch.